Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varatharajan. In this video, you are going to learn about a number system for class 9th. This is the introduction for the real number, and this is the first chapter in Karnataka State Board textbook as well as the CBSE board textbook for class 9th. Before learning real numbers, we should revise all the other number systems which we have learned in the smaller classes. First number system was natural number. Natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. Then which is the next one? It is the whole number. Whole number starts with what? It starts with 0. The smallest whole number is 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. And next number system was integers. Integers is a combination of all positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0. In 7th standard, you have learnt about rational numbers. A rational number is one which can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. That means all fractions are rational numbers because it is there already in the form of numerator and denominator, and all integers are rational numbers because 5 can be written as 5 by 1, minus 9 can be written as minus 9 by 1, and 0 can be written as 0 by 1. And rational number can be written in the form of decimal. And if you consider the example of 1 by 2, see what happens if you divide 1 by 2. What is the value? It is 2 5s, that is 0.5. If you divide 1 by 2, you put 1 point. After putting 1 point, you can add 1 0. Therefore, 2 5s are 10. What happened? Here, the process of division has come to an end. You have got that remainder 0. Therefore, it is terminating decimal. If I take 2 by 5, what happened? 2 by 5, if you divide, you will get, that is 2 by 5. 0.054s are 20. Therefore, it is 0.4. It is a terminating decimal. One more example. It is 7 by 40. If you divide 7 by 40, it is 0.175. It is a terminating decimal. Then if you take 4 1 by 2, that is 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33 by 8. That will become what? 33 by 8 will become 4.125. All these you can divide and find out, and you will get that when you divide 33 by 8, that is 33 by 8. It is 8 4s are 32. 3 minus 2 is 1.0. Then what happens? 8 1s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. And then once if you put 0, you can keep on adding 0. Then 8 2s are 60. And then 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 5s are 40. Now you got it as 4.125. In all these, what happened? When you divide it, when you divide numerator by denominator, the process of division came to an end. Therefore, all these are called terminating decimal. All these fractions, when you convert into decimal, the process of division has come to an end. Now I will take the example of 1 by 3. What happens if you divide 1 by 3? Now if you divide 1 by 3, I'll show you the division. 1 by 3. 0.03 3s are 9. What is 10 minus 9? It is 1. Therefore, you can add 1 0. Again, it is 3 3s are 9. And then 1 here. And then here 1 more 0. You can add 3 3s are 9. Again, it is 3 3s 9. Therefore, if you divide 1 by 3, you will get 0.3333 like this. The process of division will not come to an end. This you can write it as 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. Here it is a non-terminating. The process of division will not terminate. Terminate means stop. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. And if I take one more example, 1 by 11. If you divide 1 by 11, you will get 0.090909 like this. It repeats. Therefore, it is 0.09. It is a non-terminating recurring, or you can write non-terminating repeating decimal. And if I take one more example, 2 by 11. If you divide 2 by 11, you will get 0.18181818 like this. Therefore, 0.18. Therefore, this is also non-terminating and repeating decimal. All are terminating decimal. Therefore, I have written T, and here I have written non-terminating repeating decimal. One more non-terminating repeating decimal. Let me take 1 by 6. If you divide 1 by 6, what happens? Here it is, I will show you the division, 0.16666 like this. It is 0.166 is repeating. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now, if I show the division, it is 1 by 6. If you divide 1 by 6, 0.0. If you put point, you can add 1 0. 6 ones are 6, that is 4. And then you can add 1 0. 6 6 are 36. 4. Again 6 6 are 36. Again 4. 6 6 are 36. That means first 1 will not repeat. After 1, 6 will keep on repeating. When you write the when you do the process of division, that means a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring decimal. That means here all these examples, what happened? When you divide, the process of division came to an end. Here the process of division did not come to an end. Here these questions will carry only 1 mark. Therefore, you don't have to divide and find out whether it is terminating or repeating decimal. There is a rule or there is a trick where straight away you can write. See, if the denominator, if the prime factors of the denominator is either 2 or 5 or both, then we say it is a terminating decimal. That means if the prime factors of denominator is 2 or 5 or both, then it is a terminating decimal. Then it is a terminating decimal. if the prime factors of the denominator is other than 2 or 5, then it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimal. See, you see these examples. 2 here, 5 here, 40. What happened? If I write 7 by 40, 40, write the prime factors of the denominator. Therefore, it is 7 by 2 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Therefore, it is a what? Terminating decimal. And if I take 1 by 3, it is other than 2 and 5. Therefore, it is non-terminating. Here also 1 by 11. Here also other than 2 and 5 is there. Here 1 by 6. If I write 1 by 6, what has happened? 1, prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Here what? 2 is there, but 3 is also there. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. If I take 1 by 2 by 33, what happens? 2 by 11 into 3. Here both are other than 2 and 3. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. If I write 5 by, we don't consider the numerator. We have to consider only denominator here. Here, if I write 18, prime factors of 18 are 2 9s are 3 and 3. Therefore, 5, 2 into 3 into 3. That is 5, 2 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power of 2. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now, you have understood. If you divide numerator and numerator by denominator, if the process of division comes to an end, then we call them are terminating decimal. If the process of division will not come to an end, then we call them as non-terminating repeating decimal, repeating or recurring decimal. But you don't have to divide and find out, because these questions carries 1 or 2 marks only. Therefore, straight away you can write, if the denominator is, if the prime factors of the denominator is either 2 or 5 or both, then it is a terminating decimal. If the denominator has other than 2 and 5, here in this question what happens? 2 is there, but along with that 3 is also there. Therefore, it is a non-terminating. Here also 33, if you write the prime factors, 11 into 33. Therefore, it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now, this real number is a combination of rational number and irrational number. You are going to learn about irrational numbers in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.